Hi kids, today we're going to learn about the old man and his sons. Once upon a time there was an old man who used to work at a farm. He had four sons, but they always used to fight each other. They always used to argue. The old man was so sick of their behavior. He used to tell them to live a happy and joyous life, but no one would listen to them. Eventually, the old man fell sick. On his bed, he called all his sons and tried to teach them a lesson. First, he gave all his sons a single stick and asked them to break it. It was broken easily. The sons questioned their father's idea. Then the father gave one of the sons a bundle of sticks and asked him to break it, but he couldn't. He the bundle of sticks was given to all of his other three sons, but no one could break it. They were all questioning their father. Then the old man said that you four should live like a bundle of sticks in unity, so that no one can harm you. Moral of the story: union is strength.